Today we're talking about design ideas for the bathroom and some trends to look out for. So let's get started. Hi everyone, Liz here. Welcome to Balance and Rhythm. This is the 6th video in our room design series, and today we're exploring another private space of the home, the bathroom. So it's kind of appropriate that I'm coming to you today from my not quite finished bathroom renovation. And that's because our hardwood floors needed another coat of finish, so I have to stay off of them for a few days. I've implemented a lot of the elements that we're going to talk about here, and I'm really excited to give you a sneak peek. And I'm also going to make a dedicated before and after video, so be on the lookout for that. So without any further ado, let's talk bathroom design. Bathrooms are a great place to create an experience. From a relaxing space with a spa-like feel in the master bathroom, to a warm and natural retreat in a secondary bath, to a dark, moody, and dramatic powder room. Like kitchens, all white bathrooms are giving way to warm and natural looks, with wood vanities making a comeback. This helps bring in a warm, natural vibe that you can pair with light or dark colors to get the mood you want. If you have an all-white bathroom and want to bring in some warmth, do it with accessories or warm metal finishes. These are easy and affordable ways to update your classic white bathroom. For flooring, porcelain tile is a great choice for looks, durability, and impermeability to water. You can choose a large format with a natural pattern and texture for a more seamless look, or make a bold statement on the floor with a mosaic or bold pattern. You can also create beautiful floors with marble or cement tiles, but these will have to be sealed to preserve the finish and avoid stains. If you're going bold on the floors, keep it a little more sedate on the walls so they don't compete. Or you could go more neutral on the floor and make your wall tile a star. You have more options here because the tile doesn't have to be as durable, and there are lots of great ceramic options. Subway tile is classic and versatile because it can be installed in so many patterns to get looks from traditional to ultra-modern. Think beyond the traditional 3x6 inch size and go for more elongated or textured looks. If you like a more artisanal look, handmade Moroccan Zalige tiles are really beautiful, and they come in a variety of shapes and some great colors. They do need to be sealed though, so they're probably not the best option if you need something low maintenance. I found this great ceramic tile by Emser called Raku after the Japanese style of pottery that is machine made but has the look of handmade tile and requires no maintenance other than cleaning. Freestanding vanities have become very popular. They look like furniture, making the bathroom look more elegant and less utilitarian, and are great for making the bathroom appear larger since there is space underneath and around the vanity. They're usually less expensive to purchase and install than a built-in vanity, and can be purchased with the countertop, sink, and sometimes even the faucet, depending on the manufacturer. You can also get floating vanities that are wall-mounted for an even lighter look. These will require blocking in the wall for support. Built-in vanities generally offer more storage space than freestanding and floating vanities and can be customized to your space, but they can also be more expensive. So that's something to think about when you're deciding which to go with. There's been a trend to removing bathtubs and adding large showers, particularly in the master bathroom. This is a matter of preference, of course, but depending on your situation, having at least one bathtub in your home can be a good move aesthetically and financially. In the master bathroom, a freestanding tub is a beautiful design statement, giving the space a spa-like feel and offering you a place to relax and unwind, if not every day, at least from time to time. If you have more than one bathroom, you could forgo the bathtub in the master bath and have a tub shower combo in your second bath. Even if you don't have small children, it's good for your overnight guests who do, or for appealing to the largest number of buyers should you choose to sell one day. Toilets are becoming more high-tech with features like bidets, heated seats, water filtration systems, and blue light deodorizing technology. These are great if your budget allows, But some of the best features of the modern toilet are its physical design, including one-piece or tankless toilets with skirted bottoms that look sleek and modern and are really easy to clean due to the lack of nooks and crannies. And these are available in all price ranges. The ultimate cleanability is the wall-hung toilet, and like the wall-hung Vanity, will need blocking in the wall for support. But some come with built-in support that you can drywall around. Lighting in the bathroom is key. Some overhead lighting is good for general illumination, and you can add some additional sparkle with a chandelier or pendant over the bathtub if you have one. At the Vanity, you'll want eye-level lighting that casts the most even illumination on the face. So instead of a centrally located overhead fixture which will cast harsh shadows, opt for sconces or pendants on the sides of each mirror at about 60 inches or 152 centimeters on center. Or you could go with a backlit mirror that casts even illumination all around. These will give you the most flattering and true light. Mirrors are the single largest accessory in the bathroom, and there are lots of great options. Styles that are trending are mirrors framed in thin metal with finishes like matte black, brass, and pewter tones, but they come in chrome and brushed nickel as well. They come in all shapes, but the most popular are round, Norman window-shaped arches, and rectangles or squares with rounded edges, and they can be flat-mounted or tiltable pivot mirrors. Bathrooms are also a great place to have fun with accessories. Instead of the traditional towel bar, you can use artisanal hooks or a blanket ladder for towels. Bring in a beautiful linen shower curtain for some soft texture, and a few coordinating items on the countertop to bring your design together, along with plants that will appreciate the more humid environment. For more room design ideas, check out these videos. And if you like this one, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to be the first to know about new videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.